I look so bagong gising. So, I'm gonna cook. Saglit. I just finished cooking and ipapakulo na lang ako ng tubig for coffee. And I also made my baon na. And I'm gonna eat na lang. It's ano na oras na? Wait. It's currently 5:17. And I've been cooking for the last 30 minutes. What do I do ba pag umaga? So, I actually wake up at 3 a.m. but I just wake up para magising yung diwa ko by 4. And by 4, pag nagising na ako, mag-cellphone ako until 4:45 para magising din ako. Then, at 4:45, babangon na ako and I'll start cooking. After I cook, like at about 5:25, by this time, I'm eating na. And, medyo matagal ako kumain eh. So, after like 20 minutes, like around 5:45, 5:40, I finish eating. And then I start to, what do you call this? I start to take a bath na. So, then, after taking a bath, then I will change my clothes. After change my clothes, I'll brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I do my makeup na. Then, after everything, ayusin ko na lang yung mga kailangan sa school. Oh yeah, that's all. After ko maayos, then, larga na ako. So, I just finished taking a bath and I changed my clothes na. And to my white polo and the black pants. Ando my makeup na, but I don't usually do this here sa kwarto kasi medyo madilim and I don't have mirror here. But, wait, I do it kasi sa labas kasi andun yung mirror and it's medyo maliwanag and I like it. I have a lot of pimples. My skin is so not flawless. I don't like it. Kaya pag nakita nyo ako, huwag kayong maniwala, puro makeup ako. I'll have a lot of pimples today because malapit na rin ang cycle ko for this month. Simple lang naman ang makeup routine ko. Makeup routine. Oh my god. I brought a mirror from outside. So, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with sunblock. Start rubbing it in. Okay. I'm glowing. And I like putting sunblock since I don't have my primer na. Naubos ko siya. Hindi pa ako bibili ng bago. This helps the makeup stay together. Basta ang ganda niya. Like, compared when I don't use, what do you call this? Sunscreen. Back. So, while letting it sit, I comb my hair. I'm gonna blow dry this later because I think I wanna style my hair for today. And since last naman na and I'm doing a video, I'll go not all out, but I'll put in a bit of effort. I apply my concealer. Kaya sasabi ko pag nakita niyo ako, it's just makeup. I'm not that pretty. But it's just makeup. I usually just blend it with my kamay kasi mas controlled ko pag ganun. So I just blend it in. So blend. I can't see that well sa camera, so yeah. I don't have a great skin, y'all. Okay, I blended it. Yun na. It's 6:20. I need to hurry up. And for powder, I just use baby powder because it's what I have and it does the work. So what I do is, normally you just put it in your hand, diba? Then take a brush or a puff, then put it, diba? But I don't do that. Baby powder. Then brush your hair back para di malagyan. And just put it like that. Look, it's even, diba? Ah, may white, may black pants. Then, yeah. After checking if nalagyan mo na lahat, don't blend it out yet. I don't blend it out. My white pants is now white. My black pants is now white. I just do it like that. Then, can you just, like you're putting an eyeliner. Like that. It's too subtle. You can't really see it. I don't do heavy makeups naman kasi talaga. Yan. So after that, the same shade. Pat it. Then open your outer line. Then put it here. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can see it. My eyes looks a bit fiercer here kasi mas dark na siya. I get my lip liners and put on my lipstick. So I put on my lipstick na. Yeah. After that, I just blend the rest of the powder of my face. Yeah. And that's it. I don't do much naman. So yeah, I need to go. I finished all what I have to do now. And dala ko na lahat ng kailangan kong dalhin. So I'm gonna go na. See you na lang sa school. Bye-bye! I'm right outside the Benigno na. I'm gonna go up na sa overpass. Taas. I'm so tired of walking every day. Marami pang flights next year sa ating so, stay tuned. May nakahulog ng project nila, but gusto ko tumulog, but I'm too shy to do it. Still a lot of flights, guys. Too much stairs. I'm about to go in this building namin, and I'm so pagod na. I've been walking for the past 5 minutes. Yeah, malayo talaga building namin. 5 minutes from the gate. Hindi pa kasama. Pagod na ako. Hi guys. Ayoko na. Pagod na ako. Wala nga. Art gallery. I just saw my friends. My classmates. I don't know what's for early na. Okay, malapit na. A little bit more. I can do this. I can do this. Ngayon yung grass ko ako. Good morning! Good afternoon. It's not afternoon yet. It's still morning. Hi, Michaela. Good morning. No, I have not yet. Of course, duh. So, hi, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Hi, Michaela.
Someone gave me diabetes.
Hey.
You want kisses?
Yeah, I want some kisses.
This is Sam's
Are
morning
you going
vlog.
to eat? Yeah, it's my morning
And I'm
vlog.
not sure if I am supposed to be here.
You are? I don't know.
My
It's
glasses
just
are
one thing.
supposed to be.
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
Wala yung tatlo.
Like 8 minutes.
Mukha pa may nakaganda. Hi guys!
Oh my gosh, I'm doing a vlog about a day in a life.
A day in life. Hindi nyo ma-enjoy yung other in a life kasi kasama mo.
I got more kisses too. Thank you, Kate. Progress. Hindi na matapos-tapos ang art ko. Bruno. Yeah, about that Bruno. Ang liit mo dyan! We're doing a TikTok challenge, guys. Para
And
simulan
my,
yung picture ko.
and my dignity is gone.
Yeah, we're dignity is gone, look. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Ang tagal nila! Pulang-pula na ako! Pwede na ba? Gagalitin. Mami! Ayan naman. Hi. We're currently procrastinating. Itong everyday scene dito sa STEM. A day in the life of STEM students. Ganito lahat. We're waiting for our teacher kasi it's ano pa lang, wala pang 10 a.m. Wala pang 10 a.m. Yes! So, gusto nila i-post ko. Yeah, I'm gonna post it naman. Pero di lang din alam ko saan. Yeah. Nantay namin teacher namin kasi wala pang 10 o'clock. We're not supposed to go inside if it's still not 10 o'clock. So, yeah. Gantong ginagawa namin. We're procrastinating and currently doing our physical education. PE. Look, they're doing the sit and reach and I wanna try it. I'll try it. Let's go.
Hindi mo pa pinig.
Hi, Ezekiel.
Sino ang naghawak? The next Carlos Yulo.
Ayan, so naggagawa na kami. Hi! Say hi! Post ko naman, pero di nyo lang alam kung saan.
Oh, yung dami ko mga account.
Sa YouTube. Ibababalik ko. Procrastinators. Pati PE, pinocrastinate. O, game.
Ano ba yan?
4-wheel kayo. Oo. 28! 28! O, next time.
I'm shy. Check nyo ah. Ay, gumalaw.
Masama mo na, kalmahan mo.
Eh, dikit mo yung balik.
Angel.
May dadaan.
Ayoko na.
67.
Hi guys, so andito lang kami ngayon sa loob ng room. Wala pa rin yung teacher. Say hi guys! YouTube video. Ang lobat. And nasa PE class kami ngayon. Wala kami ginagawa. So supposed to be meron kami ginagawa. Ang init. Hi! Hi! Tingnan mo!
Hi guys, so welcome to our
Tingnan mo,
vlog.
ang cute!
Kulang yung dalawa, so yeah.
Wala pa ano.
Say hi!
Hi!
So wala naman kaming ginagawa. Wala yung teacher namin.
Are you going to post that?
Yeah? I think. Ang tagal ko na rin hindi nagpo-post eh. Like for
I'll follow
1 to 2 months.
I'll follow you.
She'll follow me. I mean, ano naman, hindi ko siya ipagkakalat yung
It's a
account na yun.
memory.
Yeah, it's a memory lane. And if ever na may manood, why not?
Pero what if happy?
Yeah, it makes me happy. I really like taking videos and pictures and sharing it on the internet. Not really sharing it, but keeping memories. Pero kasi syempre, we don't have, yung storage ko kasi is ubus na. So, yeah, I tend to post it. I have no choice, so I'll just post it. And you know, like, it's forever there na kasi nakapost na siya eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm eating ice cream. This is utang. This is an utang. Long past overdue. About 4 months lang yun. Masarap talaga ang libre. It's sarap ng libre, guys. The view. Ano po, ano ka tawag? Burger steak. Burger steak. Masarap yung burger steak dito. And for its price, it's okay na.
And we're buying, drinks from Sir.
Ano yun?
Some extra coffee.
Extra cafe. I love ice cream.
Tapos
Hindi ako
bigla-
mahilig sa... You can't.
Yeah.
I don't like sweet stuff, but I like ice cream a lot.
Ako din.
Hi guys, it's lunchtime and I'm eating again as always. Look, this Yuri, she doesn't want her face to be shown. Look. Hi guys, so I'm currently doing my retouches for my buhok. I'm doing this for a full volumized voice. Oh, it's kind of cute. So what I'm doing is I'm putting on some concealers again and getting my brush and my foundation. And I'll retouch my face, put on some blushes and lippy. So that's basically it. Yun lang naman ginagawa ko. And that's how I retouch my face kapag lunch. And it's, magawa na. So, I need to do this faster. May meet pala namin yung new teacher namin later. So, yeah. Yun lang naman. Mamaya na lang, ipakita ko yung final product. So guys, I'm finished now. I'm currently in class. I'm currently in class. Yeah. We have a new teacher. Where's the final product?
Then, I passed the license for examination last September.
I've been getting a lot of ayudas. So look, there's chocolate ka naman from Kate ulit because she came home and she brought these chocolates. Yeah, so let's try this. Oh my god, may connection ako. I'm low bat na, so baka din na lang ako maka-vlog later. More food, macarons. Macarons? I don't know. But it's macarons.